Celery or Apium graveolens is a marshland plant in the family Apiaceae that has been cultivated as a vegetable since antiquity. Celery has a long fibrous stalk tapering into leaves. Depending on location and cultivar, either its stalks, leaves, or hypocotyl are eaten and used in cooking. Its crunchy stalks make the vegetable a popular low-calorie snack, and it may provide a range of health benefits. The fiber in celery can benefit the digestive and cardiovascular systems. Celery also contains antioxidants that may play a role in preventing disease. The nutrients in the celery plant and its seeds may provide a range of health benefits. Number 1. Celery reduces inflammation. Celery contains a plant compound called arpigenin, which plays a role in traditional Chinese medicine as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant agent. Number 2. Source of important antioxidants. Antioxidants protect cells, blood vessels, and organs from oxidative damage. Celery contains vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, but there are at least 12 additional kinds of antioxidant nutrients found in a single stalk. It's also a wonderful source of phytonutrients, which have been shown to reduce instances of inflammation in the digestive tract, cells, blood vessels, and organs. Number 3. Help combat cancer. Celery contains a flavonoid called luteolin. Luteolin may have anti-cancer properties. It may help prevent the spread of cancer cells and induce cell death. Number 4. Reduce blood pressure. Celery is also a good source of fiber, and results of 2016 review suggested that people with high fiber intake may have lower blood pressure than those on a low-fiber diet. Number 5. Supports digestion. Pectin-based polysaccharides in celery, including a compound known as apium, have been shown to decrease instances of stomach ulcers, improve the lining of the stomach, and modulate stomach secretions. And then there's the high water content of celery, almost 95%, plus generous amounts of soluble and insoluble fiber. All of those support a healthy digestive tract and keep you regular. 1 cup of celery sticks has 5 grams of dietary fiber. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video thus far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Other benefits. Some researchers have suggested that extracts from celery may also help prevent liver disease and jaundice, urinary tract obstruction, gout, rheumatic disorders. In addition, people use celery seeds to treat bronchitis, asthma, psoriasis, and other skin disorders, vomiting, fever. Side effects of celery. Authors of a review published in 2017 note that celery can trigger a severe allergic reaction in some people. Symptoms may include hives, swelling, difficulty breathing. If anyone is trouble breathing after eating celery, they need emergency medical attention. Some people experience a reaction called anaphylaxis, which can be fatal. Anyone who is allergic to celery should be carefully check food labels as even small traces. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below, do you love eating celery? You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.